Hi everybody, we made it to 200 subscribers. I'm excited and I thank everyone very much for subscribing to my channel. I'm excited to have many more of these drawings. As you know, it's every 100 subscribers and every 500, 1,000, 1,500 and so on. I'll be doing these drawings. So let's get to it. I've got my little coffee can here with all our little names in it. So let's draw out a name. Make sure you can see me. And the lucky winner is Cindy Egnor. If I'm saying that right, I hope. If not, I do apologize. So I am going to pull it up to the camera just so that you can see it. That is our lucky winner. And please do get back to me within 3 days if you're watching. If I don't hear back from Cindy, I will draw another name and I will advertise that in another video. But again, I thank all of you for hanging in there with me and for subscribing with me and for watching all my videos. There's many more to come. I'll be moving back out into my big shop pretty soon, and I'm excited. I won't have to be here in my little office anymore for a few months anyway. As soon as it starts getting cold, I'll have to move back inside. But I got a lot of things planned for you guys, so hang in there with me. Now, I do have the items that are going to be her gifts, but I've made a special little video for you guys. And I have these pictured for the video so that everyone can see them. So I hope you're going to enjoy the little video that I've made. So this is just our opening. So I'm going to put the little video up next. So thank you everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.
Good day, everyone. I'm thrilled to welcome you to this special celebration as we mark an exciting milestone together. Today, our YouTube community has grown to 200 subscribers, and I am beyond grateful for each and every one of you. Your unwavering support, thoughtful comments, and enthusiastic engagement have truly made this journey remarkable. As a token of my appreciation, I'm delighted to announce a giveaway featuring some wonderful prizes. We have an 8-pack of assorted glitters, which are perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to any project. Additionally, there's 60 grams of glitter opal powder and 60 grams of glitter opal sequin. Both ideal for enhancing your creative endeavors. Also included is a 26-piece set of die and film sheet silicone alphabet keychain molds. A versatile tool for crafting personalized items. Lastly, there's a set of my homemade 4-piece silicone dog inlay set. Crafted with love and care. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the drawing of our lucky winner. And announce the winner's name. Congratulations to our winner. I kindly ask you to get in touch with me within 3 days to provide your details so that I can arrange the shipment of your prizes. In the event that I don't receive a response within the specified time, I'll conduct another draw and announce a new winner in a future video. This milestone is just one of many to come, and I am so excited about the future of our channel. Thank you for being such an inspiring and integral part of this community. Here's to achieving many more milestones and creating unforgettable memories together. The content creator sits, their studio a haven of creativity, a gentle smile gracing their face. With heartfelt sincerity, the creator expresses, "Thank you for being here." The content creator gestures with warmth, showcasing the community's supportive comments and interactions. Visuals of supportive comments and engaging interactions fill the screen, highlighting the community's positive impact. The studio is filled with a cozy atmosphere, reinforcing the invaluable support of the community. The content creator smiles warmly, their eyes reflecting the screen's glow. And that's a wrap. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Your support means the world to me. I'm so excited for what the future holds, and I promise to keep creating content that you'll love. The content creator raises a glass of sparkling cider, a toast to their viewers. To my subscribers, thank you for being the best community a creator could ask for.